preparing the reclaimed timber, that's pretty good for now. We got everything the right width and we'll cut it to the length later. This means our next step is to build the frame. The frame consists of basically a 2-inch contour and then a 4-inch trim around the top. Those glued together, that new wood will hold pretty strong, and then we put all of the reclaimed lumber against that. First thing we want to do is get some pretty strong pieces. I have 2 planks of rough pine here already. They're 1 by 12 by 12 feet long and cost about $33 each. In fact, they're the same pieces of pine that I use for the foam beams that you see upstairs.